Hey guys, it's your girl Sade, and I just wanted to come on before I started the video, just to talk about what's going on. I know a lot of content creators, influencers, and all that have been posting about this, and I wanted to say something before I start my video because I feel like it's just right, even though my channel is small, just to spread any type of awareness of what's going on. Also just to provide space where you can find more information. So again, I know that we are all probably aware of what's going on with the Black Lives Matter movement, and of course we're seeking justice for George Floyd and Breonna Taylor and the countless other people that have been affected or murdered by the police or endured some type of police brutality and other forms of racial injustice. Okay, so I just wanted to say, although the protests currently aren't getting as much coverage, they're still occurring. It is still aware to protest how you can, spread awareness how you can, be informed how you can. In my description, I'm going to drop links where you can sign everything for petitions, donate whatever you can to contribute to this cause. But anyways, I just wanted to say, thank you for taking the time to hear out my message. Just know that although it may not be covered, we are still out here trying to fight justice for Black people. And I'm not good with words, I'm sorry, we all know I'm not good with words, but the point is, I'm here to spread awareness. I'm here to give what I can, and I hope you take the time to give what you can as well. So thank you. Just felt like it wasn't right for me to just go ahead and post my content without speaking on it. So of course, again, please check out the description below. Sign petitions. It literally takes just a few seconds. Just type your name in, do what you can, share these petitions where you can, do whatever you can. If you can just go online and bring awareness somehow, or just change someone's mind about what's going on, then I feel like you contributed as much as you can, and I definitely will appreciate that. Appreciate my allies, appreciate whomever. Black Lives Matter, and that's all I have to say. Anyways, enjoy the video.
Savage, yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah, sassy, moody, nasty, hacking, stupid, what's happening, bitch, what's happening?
Oh, hey, what you doing out there? Oh, you came here for the house tour? Come on in. Come on in, yeah. Welcome to my crib. I'm just playing, y'all, but but yes, it finally happened. I finally got my apartment amidst all this quarantine thing. But yes, so here it is. Yes, this is the living room, yes. But this is this is my first time seeing it as well, because I was only doing virtual tours because when I started looking for the apartment, it was amidst peak quarantine time. So we both gonna be finding some new things today. But yeah, just to start off, let's get right into it. Got my door, my entry door. Yes, so they got us extra secure in here. Lock here, lock here. Guess what? A little lock up in here. Who getting kidnapped? Not us. All right. And then over here we got my coat closet. Cut that. So here we got my coat closet, took the rack. I already tried to start moving a little bit in, but it's hot, so we took a break. I'm on the third floor. I ain't trying to do all that. Anyways, so over here is the bars area, and this is where I'm gonna place my bar stools. And then you can kind of get a glimpse of the kitchen. You can see the cabinets, and I don't like how they look, so what I'm gonna do is, when y'all get the second house tour, when it's furnished, I'm definitely gonna get some contact paper, and I'm probably gonna make everything black, and I'm gonna make this marble top, but you just gonna have to see that when it happens. So this is the rest of the living room. I'm thinking on this side, this is where I'm gonna place my couch and stuff, and I'm gonna have a little accent chair, and then over here, there's a whole fireplace. It ain't electronic, it's the old school ones. They want me to die, obviously. I don't know why people trust me in fire, but we're gonna figure that out. And then yeah, I'm gonna hang some art up here. I'm gonna have my little desk area over here, and then this is where I'm gonna have my TV stand and all that. So I might even actually get a stripper pole, But we're gonna see, because these ceilings is vaulted, so I'm gonna try to put it in an area where if I spin, it's not gonna fall, okay? Because your girl insurance, okay? Like, okay. And then, so this has a balcony, this apartment. So it's like a balcony. You can have a door right here, and I also have a door in my bedroom. So of course, ain't nothing out there. Okay. Okay, so moving on to my kitchen. Okay, so this is my refrigerator and my stove. I think y'all know what those are. So I'm guessing like they starting to upgrade the apartment. So this is like the new stove, old refrigerator. But that's okay, because you know, I ain't racist. I can have white and black. Got a not washing machine, like a dishwasher. Finally, okay? After all these times, I had a dishwasher. No more slavery. All right, so this is where I'm gonna have my marble, like contact paper, got my sink, got my, okay? This is the security system. I'm not even gonna mess with that because the police will probably be on accident and I ain't got time for that. Got my drawers and stuff. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna contact this whole fucking kitchen up. Got my little pantry area. Looking empty, probably will remain empty, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. Gonna have my 1 can of beans in there. We got the oven, got the light. You know, I got the power on. Okay, okay. Ain't no dark times in this bitch. Ain't nothing in the refrigerator yet. What's the left from the kitchen? Okay. And then this is where I have my laundry place. So my washer and dryer. So they had me an option of to rent, but I was like, I ain't about to pay the rent when I own my girl. Like you ain't about to have my rent high. Okay, so you got the little. Okay. Moving on. This is my little hallway little area. I like apartments when they have hallways. I hate when it's like everything's like front and it's like door. Like I like a journey to my rooms. But anyways, this is like my little, what's this shit called? Linen closet. There we go. Got my towels, my sheets, my TP, all that I need in there. So moving on to the bathroom. Lights, cameras action. Look at this mirror. Look at it. Look. See my camera person? I don't know. She's scared. Okay, then I have an extra like side like medicine cabinet mirror here. That's one place that you know medicine, other shit. But I'm also thinking I might command strip a shelf up there just to have like my everyday amenities. But I don't know. We'll see. Bathtub. Where I take baths. That is the water thingy that's locked, so I don't guess y'all need to see it. All right. So then, going to the love room, my room, and Douglas, my puppy. Okay, so this one don't have a ceiling light, so I will have to get an actual lamp to have my lighting, but that's fine. I think the main reason why I got this apartment actually, well, one, because there was limited choice in doing quarantine. 2, I was in a rush because I had like a month to move out of my other place. And 3, I got the balcony door in my bedroom, y'all. Like, look at this. I'm gonna wake up to a view, all of that. But yeah, so you can access the balcony via the living room or the bedroom. So they have a screen here. So if I just want the door open, but no bugs coming in there, you can do that. Or I can open it all the way. Open my dog, don't try to test his height test because I ain't got time for that. We be on the 3rd floor out here, so I don't know if dogs can fly, but we're gonna find out. That's the scary ass closet thing for my patio, but it's basically where I'm gonna put everything storage wise. But lights out here too, so we get locked in when we start. Let me see, what else am I missing? I'm missing the closet. So it's my closet. This is like my first actual walk-in closet. I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna have things going here because I'm thinking I'm getting new dressers and all that. Like I'm starting like brand new So I'm thinking I'm gonna put like one of my tall dressers in here and then have like my shoe rack down there. I don't know. But we gonna figure it out. But dang, why the shelf all the way up here? Dang. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get a little stuff too, obviously. But yes, y'all, so this is just my quick little empty apartment tour. In a few weeks, I should probably be unpacked and everything, so I'll be able to give a furnished one whenever IKEA opens so I can get my dressers. Because yes, I'm determined to get my basic ass white YouTube dresses. Come for me. I don't care. I want them. Been wanting them. We'll get them. I'm manifesting it. But yeah, so glad you guys were able to join me on my journey. I may do a vlog or two. I'm not sure. I'm lazy, so I'm not even gonna promise that. But I may do a vlog of me gathering like home decor or other items. But other than that, I hope you stay tuned for part 2. All right, bye guys.
Crash, nigga.
Lies unfolded, you said the right apart. You said you noticed what you said, right apart. I can be your sugar when your feet